Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to do another Unlock product review. So these are the two face masks that recently Unlock has came up with. So Unlock Mixify products are a very favorite brand of mine, and I use their serum, I use their cream, and now they have came across with the face mask. So this is my review of them. So Unlock Mixify has recently, I don't think recently, 2 to 3 months back, have launched this two like face mask. So the first one is the skin glow and detox mask, and the second one is this clarifying face mask. So the skin glow and detox mask removes dead cells, detoxifies, brightens, and even tones, and it's essentially a charcoal mask. It's black in color. Unlike any other charcoal mask that I have used, it's a very smooth consistency and it's a very light consistency. You really need a little bit of it to like cover your whole entire face, and it's in a very smooth and very lightweight formula. So it contains activated charcoal, bentonite clay, kaolin clay, vitamin C, turmeric extract, L-arginine, lactic acid, coffee extract, almond oil, orange extract, yogurt whey extract, cilantro extract, and bitter melon extract. These all ingredients are supposed to make your skin lighter, not lighter exactly, improve your complexion, improve your melanin levels, also removes dead cells because it contains activated charcoal, and it's one of the best charcoal masks that you can get under 500 rupees. By the way, this product is under 500 or under 600 rupees for 100 gram of product, and you really need a small amount. So I have used couple of times, I think 5 to 6 times, and I can only finish that much of a product. So this was the Unlock Skin Glow Plus Detox mask. So the second mask that the Unlock has is this clarifying face mask. So this is for removing acne and cleansing pores deeply. So I don't have any acne right now, so if I have any acne in future, I will use it. So recently my sister uses it, and she's a teenager and she didn't get any side effect with this. So that's how you know Unlock Mixify products are legit. So it contains bentonite clay, neem extract, tea tree oil, multani mitti or multani clay, salicylic acid, avocado oil, papaya extract, mushroom extract, spinach extract, tomato extract, which are known for cleansing your skin. And also it's a very same like ingredient list if you like compare it with the skin glow serum that the Unlock has, and also the acne serum that the Unlock has. So it's a very similar ingredients, so you know these are going to be legit. So this clay is it's strong smelling clay, like it smells of tea tree oil, and it's in this like standard like acne mask, like yellow kind of an acne mask. It's again very smooth. You need a very little amount. Again, my sister has used like 3 to 4 times, and she has only been managed to finish that much, so you know it will last you a lot. Again, it cost the same 100 gram for around like 500 to 600 rupees, and I think this combo would certainly be your throughout the year mask. You can use this mask for like winters or use this mask for like summers, but also the combination of two is really nice. So what I generally will do if I get acne, so I would apply like this charcoal mask only to my T-zone to strip out all my oils and to give it a more cleansed feeling and to remove my blackheads. And as for the rest of my face where I get acne, I would apply this clarifying mask all over it, so you get the double benefits. So you can definitely try one or buy two, it's all up to your choice, but Unlock products are so great and so nice that if you start using any other product of them, you would definitely fall in love with them. This is not a paid promotion, not they have paid me or not they have sent it any products. I have bought this from my own money and I like this very much. That's why I'm sharing this product. So these have a shelf life of 2 years, so you can finish this in 2 years, I think in 6 months maybe. And this Unlock products are not completely chemical free, but they don't have that much of a toxic ingredient that you can buy in any other random skincare product that you find in the market. Unlock products are really cheap and really affordable compared to the quality of ingredients they put. And don't worry, I would be doing an in-depth review of the skincare line from Unlock, so stay tuned for that video. And that was it for my video and for my review for the Unlock Mixify face mask. So hey guys, if you liked my video, like it, share it, comment down below if you want to see any other more reviews of any other more product. And I have also posted some recipe videos you can check out in my channel. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit on that bell notification, because I would be doing a giveaway when I hit like 1k subscribers. I know that's so little, but that's so big for me, and I am really proud of myself that I have put myself to the internet. I'm really self-conscious, but YouTube has made me to like do something that I love, share something with you guys, share something that I know with you guys that will help you, and I am glad that it had helped you and you guys enjoy my videos. So it's a really big blessing for me. So that was it for my video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye bye and take care.
Can you be my la 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 la? Can you be my la la?